Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can search or browse filters on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to search or browse filters on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram, next, I want you to tap the plus icon right here. And after tapping it, go to the story option. And here at the story, you will now be able to see many Instagram effects you can use, but the Instagram effects you will see here are limited. So if you want to search or browse more effects, just drag to the right until you see the search icon. And once you've seen it, I want you to select it. And after that, you will now be able to see all the effects on Instagram, so just browse and select whatever you like. And you can also just search the name of the effect to make it easier for you to find it. And after searching, you will now see the effect, so you can now select it. And then that's it guys, you will now be using the Instagram filter effect. And if you want to add this effect to your bookmark so you can find it easier later just like this, then just tap this button right here. And after that, it's done. The effect will now be added to your bookmark, so you will now find and use it easier later. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.